Hi, it's Gretchen Dixon, Product Specialist at SOLABS. Today I'd like to take a closer look on how someone would initiate a document control process. If you've seen our overview, the document control process allows a means for someone to request a new document, a revision to a document, or to retire a document while centralizing the processing of those documents to one or a couple of people at your site. From the home page, the user that would like to request a document or a revision to a document would click on the Process section, and then on the Quick Access menu, Start Process. The document control process is the first one you'll see on the list. It does come with the core software. Click the Start button and confirm. At this point, the logged in user has now initiated a document control process, and they need to fill in the information on the screen for step 1, and when they submit that step, it will go to the next step in the process. And that's all they, as the initiator, need to do. The first field is Concerned Company Structure. You can click All, that's always an option, but if you might have different document coordinators for different areas of your organization, they will have been assigned organizational roles, and you can choose one in order to be sure that your request goes to the right document coordinator. I'll choose All for now. You can now choose whether this is a new document you're requesting. It's new, but you've already started creating it in SOLABS because you have authoring privileges, whether you're requesting a revision to a document, or whether you're requesting to retire a document. So we'll choose for this example revision. Next, you'll choose the document type. Document types are defaults that can be set for your organization for the different types of documents that you have. I will choose Standard Operating Procedure. At this point, because I've requested a revision, there's a field for me to actually link the document that I would like to be requesting a revision for. And if you start typing the document control number or the title, you will get a list of documents, and you can attach the one that you would like to revise. That option will also come up if you've chosen New from Document Already Created, because as I said earlier, you have already started it and it is already in SOLABS. If you had chosen New, you would have an Upload button where you could attach the document that you have been working on outside SOLABS, given that it's a new document. So again, we chose Revision. You can choose whether it's a cosmetic change or not, or let your document coordinator make that decision based upon the changes that you're proposing. Here again, if it was a new one, this is your upload option where you can choose your file. I'll leave it as NA because we already linked our document. And here is where you can describe what it is you'd like to change, the purpose of the change, why you're changing it, and then you can give it a priority. So we'll just fill these in quickly. And a target date that you would like. We'll put the end of the month. Now I can see, because this field is enabled, that I am requesting a change to a document that is set to require owner-manager approval. So I have to find the appropriate owner-manager for this document on the list of owner-managers. And then I am all set to submit this change. One thing I would like to point out, though, is that you can add multiple documents to one change request. So if you had some associated documents or maybe a form related to this SOP, simply click the Add Request button and you'll get another set of fields, the same as the ones we just filled in. They'll pre-populate with what you entered for the first change, but you can change those. I'm going to remove that. And now I'll go ahead and submit this change, and it will go to Emily Griffin, the owner-manager of this document. If she approves the change, it will go to the document coordinator for processing. And that's all there is to initiating a document control process.